I'm here to talk about the Instructional Skills Workshop, or the ISW. The ISW is a 4-day workshop that started in BC in the late 70s and is now offered around the world. It's designed to enhance the teaching effectiveness of both new and experienced educators. Here at the U of L, the first ISW was offered in 2011, and we've offered at least one ever since. The ISW is for anybody, really, all the way from newer hires, all the way up to seasoned veterans who have been teaching for decades. One of the tenets of the ISW is the small group setting. It's a maximum of 5 participants in the workshop, along with 2 facilitators who keep the ball rolling each day. And facilitators are U of L faculty and instructors who have taken the ISW and then decided they wanted to take the next step and become trained to be ISW facilitators to help other educators. The ISW is there to help people experiment with their teaching, try something new that they've maybe been wanting to try for a while but haven't felt confident enough to try in one of their regular classes. So it gives them a chance to design some mini lessons each day so they can experiment with their teaching in a safe space with this small, close-knit group. Participants must be present for all 4 days of the workshop because there's a lot of bonding that goes on in those 4 days, as well as the experimenting with your teaching. There's icebreakers every morning where participants will get to learn a little bit more about each other, as well as reflections at the end of the day where participants reflect on where they're at. There's also what we call parking lot discussions, where we sit in a circle and we talk about teaching topics that are brought up by the participants. So day 1 is a lot of pedagogical theory that the participants learn. Days 2 to 4 is when the participants will present a mini lesson each day, and then they will receive feedback from that mini lesson from the other participants who are the learners. Feedback will be written on pieces of paper, and then we move into what's called the feedback circle, where the learners discuss their feedback, what worked for them in the lesson, what didn't work for them in the lesson. Mini lessons are also recorded, so the instructor can watch their lessons from a viewer's perspective to see if they can pick up on anything that they may have missed while they were given the lesson. We run ISWs for academic staff, as well as ones for graduate students and postdoctoral fellows. To date, 78 academic staff members, 40 graduate students, and 4 postdocs have participated in an ISW. If you'd like more information about ISWs or feel like you would like to sign up for one, please contact the Teaching Center.